We are going to replicate your footage instantly in CapCut PC using 3 rapid methods. First, look down at your timeline and select the video or photo you want to multiply. Right-click directly on that clip and click the Copy option from the drop-down menu. Now, move your mouse cursor over to an empty, blank area further down your timeline. Right-click in that open space and select the Paste option. From here, you can left-click and drag the new video file to any position you want. This menu method is straightforward, but it takes a few extra clicks to get the job done. If you want to speed up your workflow, we can use keyboard shortcuts instead. Click on your target clip to highlight it, then press Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. Move your playhead vertical line to the exact spot where you want the new clip to start. Then press Ctrl-V or Command-V. You will notice the duplicated clip instantly appears on a new track right above your original file. The important thing to remember with shortcuts is that CapCut always pastes the new clip exactly where your playback line is resting. So make sure that line is positioned correctly before you hit paste. My favorite approach is the direct drag method because it bypasses menus entirely. Click on your clip, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and then left-click and drag your mouse to the side or up to a new track. When you release the mouse button, a perfect copy drops right into place. The trade-off with this method is precision. While it is incredibly fast, dragging manually means you lose the exact frame-perfect placement that copying and pasting with the timeline playhead gives you. In my case, I use the Alt-drag method for quick B-roll arrangement, but stick to copy and paste shortcuts when alignment needs to be absolutely perfect. Now you can duplicate any media asset in your project in just a few seconds.